Good evening, all of you. Sorry. Good afternoon, all of you. This video just about how next week market to check with our conditions and how the market is going to panning out in the next week. With us, we are going to the second week of May. So once again, I am very grateful that you have watched this video regarding the market, especially Nifty and Bank Nifty. So once again, welcome all of you to Great Eagle. We are coming with yet another interesting video about the market, about the Nifty and Bank Nifty market profile descriptions, where to go, where to watch, which level to take position. These all things will be taken care of. This is a short video as we are going to a good week. So once again, welcome all of you to Great Eagle. And this is your Guptan. So I'm going to share the charts of hope you are seeing the Bank Nifty chart. So last week had a gap down week, and due to the holiday or one day holiday, all things, the market has witnessed a range. So we just opened below, open near to the this is the this one is the 6th March profile of the Bank Nifty, where we saw a huge lengthy profile and the POC of that, because from there we have gone near 37 638 level. We see some relief rally towards that, because this time the market has come down due to the Ukraine issue. So the POC of the bar 34,627 is very important, and below that there is a HVN at 34,588 level. So HVN means high value node. There is a high value zone where huge buying happened on those days. So going forward in coming week, we have to think these two numbers, 34,627 and 34,588. So we can roughly say about 34,550 to 650 level. We saw a good buying in the 6th March week, those 5 days week. So below that there is a level of 34,350. Look at the cyan colored level. This is 34,350. So 347. So we have to look 34,650 level, 34,588 to 627, 630 level, and 34,350 level. These two level has to keep watch on the coming days. If these two levels taken support comfortably, we will see demand over there. For example, for the Friday, we haven't seen any much selling below that level after the gap down. So we are resisting the buyer, and the buyer who presented on the 6th of March, that week, 6th March week, that buyer still protecting the level, and we had comfortably closed above that level. So we will watch 34 588 627 630 level in the Nifty, sorry, Bank Nifty, and 34 348 50 level in the Bank Nifty. These two numbers will be very important for me, and below that I'm expecting a good dip. For example, the next level comes below that is 34,033. There is a huge singles because the 6th March profile is a very largest lengthy profile, because due to the Ukraine war, we had seen a good amount of selling and buying, and we just, you can watch this profile lengthy. It's almost 30 to 250 level we had taken support. Look at the profile. So we have to be very careful these two level. So we are focusing on these two levels in the Nifty and the Bank Nifty. So coming to the point, I am once again repeating that we will watch 34 630 level in the Bank Nifty and 34 350 in the Bank Nifty. Same Bank Nifty downside. There is a good buying happen in the Bank Nifty on some which days. Because that week was a very lengthy week. Why? Because that was a lengthy, very large lengthy. 35 374 is the high, and 32 155, that level is the low of the week. So there's a very lengthy high 3000 point range week was happened on the Bank Nifty in which one? 6th March week of that which on Ukraine issue. So the 34 350 level, if we are sustaining about 34 588 level, the Bank Nifty will go to 34 350 level, and below that it will come to 34,037 level. And my, as long as it stayed about 34 630 level, my next level to be at 34 927, and below that 34 750, 34 650. So this is the range of serious support will be there on the profile made on the March, and some good amount of buying is there, but we don't have any POCs there. The PO, we are going below very back profiles, so it's not easy that we have to watch these levels. So we are approaching the good selling level in the Bank Nifty, so we must careful towards next week shorting levels. Okay, and 34 890 will be the good support level which we need to watch. So going forward, some good number is there in the Bank Nifty: 32 400, 32 680, 33 75, 33 289, 33 650, and above this 33 750, 33 927, and above that 33 588. So sorry, 34 588. So this is the level. A Bank Nifty has to go above yesterday's high. That is Friday high is very important for the Bank Nifty to go. If now it's not taken about, we will see downward trend only. So the week high which comes around 30 So sorry, the weekday, not the Friday high. The Friday high comes around 33,850 level, has to be taken out very good level. Otherwise, we will see some good number. So the Friday high is in the Bank Nifty is very, very important. The Friday high comes around 33,850 levels. That is very, very 850, 830 levels. That will be very, very important for the next week also. So the Bank Nifty, we had a very large profile in the current week also, like what happened in the 6th of. We look at the profile. The profile was lengthy from 36,550 to 33, sorry 30 and 34, 389 something, and you see there will be a gap 34,835 to 34. 35,137. There is a big gap is there. The gap always comes with the invincible buyer or a seller. So this time this is the gap. The gap suggesting the selling is there. So the gap zone, if we are sustaining about 34, which one 34 639 level, the market, the Bank Nifty will try to fill the gap till 35,137. So in coming week is very, very important for the Bank Nifty. We will focus on the daily activity in our live trading room, whether we are seeing any big selling or a big number. So far in the Friday, the Bank Nifty didn't have any selling. I said that there is no big seller, and you can see the code of the Bank Nifty. I'm sharing the Bank Nifty code. You can see it. The net delta, cumulative delta comes around 6247 plus, which means that the sellers are miserably failed on the Friday, and the buyers can't able to lift the market. So both parties were failed, but eventually we can say that there is no selling pressure has haven't seen on the Bank Nifty on last Friday. So the net cumulative delta comes around 62,000, which means that there is sellers were miserably failed. But one thing you have to remember, the buyers also fail, but comparative to the seller, the buyers are still strong. That's why the seller cannot able to trend towards the gap area. So the Bank Nifty has to be very watch closely, as we had a gap. If we had a gap up opening on Monday, it can be a island reversal also. If it is an island reversal, and we have to be very careful that this selling pressure may end also. So that next tomorrow will be very, very important for the Bank Nifty. We need to watch it. So going forward to Nifty profile, you see this Nifty, as long as 16,370 also same like what happened in I said now, same like 6th of, look at it, 6th of the March, those March 6th March days comes a week has a very good buy. That's why this is a dark green line comes and cyan lines come, this golden lines come, because these are the buyers area. So Nifty very much important that we are approaching that buyer area. From that buying area, we have seen the reversal. So we are approaching the first, because as long as we stayed about 36, 360, 370 level, the next level to watch is 16 to, so 36, not 16 370 level. The next level in the Nifty to watch 16 299 level, and below that 16 232 level. And below we have a good buying around 16,133 and 16,037 and 16,011. So there has been some good buying there, and the largest buying seen around 17,726. and this 15,726. So this 15,700 area, we have seen a large buying in the which one last year. So coming to the Nifty, when I'm showing it, I will show you. $15,746. That level has witnessed a good amount of buying in last year. So 2021 buying is come around 15,700 level. So that level has to be kept very carefully. If that level kept it, we will see a good reversal also. So for the longer range, we have to be very careful and very wise. The market came to the range of 17,000 to 15,700. So from this 16,400 level, we will see 15,700 or so support level, and the next level comes around 15,000, sorry, 17,000. So we may see some sharp selling or sharp buying also, but the as long as we stays above 49,490 level, the Friday high, we will come back to test 16,220, 16,150 level. So current, like what happened in the Bank Nifty, the next day, tomorrow also is very important for the Nifty also. So we will watch how tomorrow bracket is opening, tomorrow how the market profile system is showing us. Then we will take according to the position. So we have to be very watch. The Friday highs are very, very important for the next week also. So what happened Friday for 16,490 in the Friday, which is a high. What is high of Friday? Friday we are the high of 16,496 in the Bank Nifty, and the Friday high, and look at the Nifty. There is no selling also happened, and the Bank Nifty, the Friday highs come around Friday highs come around 34,838. So these two levels very, very important for the next week also. If we are getting a gap up opening above these two level, then we will see a island reversal in the both indices, which is indicates a market to made a temporary bottom. If these highs are not taken out and we are seeing sellers, then we will drift more lower, and the bracket of the Nifty I'm expecting 15,700 the downward side and 17,000 in the upper side. Same like the Bank Nifty, I'm expecting 33,329, 33,500 level in the downside and 36,350 in the upside. So this is the bracket level for the next week also. We are going to have a very volatile week as the LIC IPO, many newses, RBI in interest rate hiking more importance, the activity and the volume will comes very fastly in the coming days. So these two level, you watch this video, note out the point of the reference I said, and keep watch on the same day. So thank you all for watching this video, and I have a request. Please do subscribe our channel and push the bell button so that you can get information of the next video. Thank you all. Take care and bye.